Yeah. And also, why is it called Om? Why not apple? Why not table? Why not butterfly? Why not Ekta? Why Om? Yeah. Because Om, when you chant Om properly, it produces the same frequency as the frequency of the sound of creation. Your body, which was vibrating at a different frequency, now starts vibrating in the same frequency as the sound of creation. And you will notice, if you have really chanted it properly, because of the sync of the body mind with that, you take a step beyond the body mind and you become empty, still inside. That is why you feel so good after chanting Om. Yeah, so specific words have been chosen by specific sages for these reasons. They actually did their own kind of research internally to arrive at the word Om.